Waking up this morning to mostly cloudy skies and also maybe a chance of some stray showers. Starting to notice a little bit of that forming just to the west of Adair County there and a little bit to the southeast of portions of the river valley, and that'll continue to track from from southwest to northeast because we're just ahead of a warm front that's just kind of generating a little bit of a push of some energy. So you can see those showers riding right along the warm front, and that'll continue to track off to the north and to the east. There will be a weak cold front that moves through Wednesday, but it's not going to at least generate anything in terms of rain quite yet. It's just going to be more of just a passage of just slightly cooler air. So we'll show you that through the rest this morning into the early afternoon. A chance of some isolated showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. Most of that will be during the morning, but there is a chance that it could linger during the afternoon as well. Otherwise, we'll see maybe a little bit more sunshine this afternoon, but really generally speaking, it'll be mostly cloudy. Then through the overnight hours, could see another passage of some isolated showers, especially in northwest Arkansas. You can see it bubbling there just a little bit northwest of the area, but most of us think stay dry. Then beyond maybe a stray shower early tomorrow morning, we see a little bit more sunshine during the day tomorrow. That's what's going to help warm us up quite a bit to possibly record warmth. So for today, high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s in northwest Arkansas, some low to mid 70s in the western half of the river valley where that warm front is, a little bit cooler off to the east. It's going to be breezy as well. That south wind is going to be gusting up to 30 miles per hour. For tonight, very mild, upper 50s and low 60s, even some mid 60s in the river valley, especially in eastern Oklahoma, because again, that's where that warm front is. We'll keep that isolated storm chance, otherwise mostly cloudy. Then for tomorrow, again, maybe a stray shower early, otherwise more sunshine. Highs near 80 in northwest Arkansas, mid 80s in the river valley with a southwest wind gusting up to 25, and that's where we could see some record high warmth. Now, the record in Fort Smith was set back in 1930, 84, and our forecast 84, so again, we could tie that. Fayetteville doesn't go back as far, so the record's only in 1991 at 77. I think we'll break that there in Fayetteville. Now, the bigger story this week is going to be the rain chance. It is drying or trending a little bit drier for Wednesday. It's only a level 1 out of 4, and this would mainly be overnight Wednesday. But the bigger story, I think, is going to be on Thursday, where there's a level 2 out of 4 risk for that heavy rain potential. As of now, the severe weather chance is low, but it's not zero. So we'll show you what's going on here for Wednesday. You can notice that, again, looks pretty dry for much of the early part of Wednesday. Maybe some scattered showers and a rumble of thunder later, but again, the primary time frame is going to be late Wednesday into the day on Thursday, at least the start of it, and then we'll kind of have maybe on and off chances of showers and storms throughout the day on Thursday. You can see another wave moving through Thursday night into early Friday. Then I think it'll primarily be done by Friday morning on that Friday morning commute, maybe a couple of scattered showers, but for the most part staying pretty quiet Friday. In terms of rainfall totals, trended a little bit lower compared to past days, but still could be pretty heavy at times. 2 to 4 inches, generally speaking, across the region. So you notice pretty warm through much of the week this week. Then finally for the weekend, we'll see it cool off a little bit. We'll see a little bit more seasonal conditions, but still even a little bit above normal because our highs should be in the upper 50s this time of year. But again, near record highs tomorrow. Again, mainly dry for the next couple of days. It's just mainly Thursday we're watching that chance of potentially heavy rain. Then the weekend looking pretty nice and seasonal with highs in the low to mid 60s.